Thermal scan confirms optimal circulation.
Vitals are strong. Proceed with the microsample.
Here we see the highly organized diversion of a valuable byproduct, the albino camel meat.
The spent tanning solution is continuously filtered, rebalanced, and recirculated by advanced purification.
The now dried hides are gently tumbled within these drums, infused with conditioning oils and emollients to ensure suppleness and durability. A coordinated dance of precision. These advanced composite frames provide the stable foundation for the exquisite albino camel leather.
Specialized gantry robots apply the adhesive mist, followed by precision placement of the microfiber lining.
Our dedicated wheel installation stations utilize laser precision to attach high-performance spinner wheels to every piece.
The final stage of assembly sees the electronic heart of the smart suitcase carefully installed, ensuring flawless connectivity.
Specialized cloths and compounds restore the luxurious sheen before a protective sealant is applied.
The albino camel leather components are introduced to an advanced, eco-friendly dyeing process. Robotic arms ensure even...
This data is cataloged for authenticity and potential future customer requests, confirming the unique origin of the premium material.
Look at the detail here on the stitching. It's flawless, yeah.
Yes, the quality is exceptional. I particularly like the texture of the leather.
sourced exclusively from the resilient albino camels of the Gobi Desert. This leather is renowned for its durability and unique grain.
Here is your new Albino Camel leather suitcase, sir. Enjoy your trip.
It's beautiful. Thank you so much. I appreciate the service.
Perfect. That went through smoothly. Thank you for your purchase.
The leather press in Sector 4 is showing high stress metrics. We need to schedule servicing.
Already on it.
We're seeing optimal energy flow to the robotics division. The leather yield projections are stable.
Confirmed. The renewable intake is steady.
If we modify the reinforcement structure here, the stress resistance improves significantly.
The AI confirms a 20%
We have a slight slowdown on the stitching sequence. Adjust the robotic arm speed by 5%.
Acknowledged. Implementing the change now.
The high transfer rate is lagging in Sector Gamma. We need to reroute the AGVs.
Already on it. Adjusting the priority on the eastern track now. That should clear the bottleneck.
We need to reroute the Atlantic shipment to avoid the weather pattern over the Azores.
Agreed. Diverting north now maintains the ETA for the New York hub.
The flow seems high for the Southeast Channel.
The algorithm accounted for the weekend demand spike. We are perfectly on schedule.
Make sure the logo is facing forward on the top case.
Of course. They look magnificent under the spotlights.
Look at this pattern.
Look at this pattern. The AI identified a surge in warranty claims related to the zippers on the Albino Camel leather suitcases.
Rotate the model again, focus on the texture detail.
The refinement algorithm really highlights the unique grain of the camel leather. This iteration looks promising.
Zoom in on the hinge mechanism. I want to see the stress points.
Perfect. The AI suggestions for the casing look solid.